Hello, my name is Chelsea Regis. I would like for you to take a moment and look at this picture. Pretend for a moment that you are meeting this family for the first time. What do you notice first? Well, I bet you're saying, well, obviously his tooth. But even though he is missing an eyebrow, you notice his smile first. Well, according to the Academy of General Dentistry, 40% of the population will notice a person's smile first when they meet someone new. Being consistent in your dental hygiene routine can make you more attractive and successful, save you money, prevent you from suffering from pain, and make you overall healthier. The oral cavity is critical when it comes to human communication. Without daily brushing and flossing, plaque will start to become apparent during everyday tasks such as talking and smiling. According to the recent surveys, people with a healthier oral cavity were actually 75% more likely to be successful in their careers and relationships than those who did not have a healthy oral cavity. So let's discuss some of these oral problems that could decrease your overall appearance. First is plaque. Plaque is what you see in the picture on the top slide, the upper picture. Plaque is a sticky film that is constantly forming on the surface of your teeth. This film is made up of different types of bacteria that accumulate throughout the day. Food and beverage particles in the saliva can actually stain the plaque colors such as yellow and orange if not removed 2 times a day. But good news is that plaque can be easily removed with floss and brushing. Depending on your immune system, if plaque is not removed within 24 to 72 hours, tartar will begin to form. Tartar is also known as calculus, and it is hardened plaque. The minerals in your saliva will calcify the plaque, causing it to become a breeding ground for bacteria. Tartar, unfortunately, cannot be removed with flossing and brushing, so the only way to remove it is to see a dental professional. So what are some other problems that could arise when plaque and tartar are not removed? Well, not removing plaque and tartar every 6 months could lead to staining, gum disease, cavities, and bad breath. As stated before, plaque can be stained with food and beverage particles, leaving a yellowish-orangish appearance on your teeth. It also is important to be mindful of your diet when it comes to your overall health and appearance. Eating foods that are high in fermentable carbohydrates such as soft drinks, candy, white breads, pasta, these all can produce an increase in plaque. And the overproduction of plaque can actually cause gum disease and cavities. A larger accumulation of plaque causes the body to react. This is the beginning of gum disease, and gum disease is broken down into 2 categories. There is gingivitis and periodontitis. Gingivitis is seen as red, inflamed, bleeding gums. Having red, tender, swollen gums can actually change the appearance of your gum tissue, as you can see in the picture on the left-hand side. The patient's gum tissue is extending over the tooth structure due to inflammation and is very sore and painful looking. Good news though, gingivitis is reversible with the help of a dental professional and some good oral home care routines. If gingivitis is left untreated, it could actually develop into periodontitis, which is noted by connective tissue and bone loss. The picture in the middle shows how the teeth would look if you had periodontitis. They look a little loose, and you can see that part of the root is actually showing due to bone loss. This part of gum disease is not reversible and must be only maintained through extensive periodontal management. Both of these are infection of the oral cavity, which can lead to halitosis, which is also known as bad breath. According to the Office of Surgeon General's, 75% of the population is actually suffering from gum disease. As for cavities, the bacteria and plaque will feed on the food and beverage particles that we ingest at everyday meals that we have, and it will actually form an acid byproduct. This acid produced by the bacteria will slowly break down your tooth enamel, causing it to become weak and eventually leading to cavities. This brings us to our next topic, saving money and preventing you from having chronic pain. In today's society, being able to save money while still getting the best service is considered a win for our pocketbook. But unfortunately, 1 in every 3 Americans delay dental care services due to financial problems. Not only is their oral health needs at serious risk, but they're also putting their overall health into jeopardy as well. So we will be discussing this later on in the presentation. Although you may think that skipping out on your oral health will save you money, it is actually the opposite. Dental diseases are almost entirely preventable when you visit your dental professional regularly for checkups. On average, a small dental restoration or filling can cost between $150 to $300. If you don't get this tooth fixed right away, the decay will actually start to spread towards the nerve. This is where the patient will typically experience excruciating pain as the nerve of the tooth is now being affected. This is also known as an abscess. In order to remove the infection, a root canal would have to be performed. And these typically range between $2,000 to $3,000. So you can see that just a simple filling is a lot cheaper than going through root canal. If a dental visits are put off for an extended period of time, the teeth have a higher risk of being non-salvageable. Therefore, a denture would probably have to be worn, which is beyond $6,000 with the extraction and everything else that comes into play. So not only is money increasing, but so is the amount of pain that you are experiencing. Your mouth talks to your body, and your body talks to your mouth. Recent research has conducted some similarities between the oral cavity and the rest of your body. Bacteria from the oral cavity will actually travel through your bloodstream, and the spread of the bacteria can actually result in chronic inflammation and increase other disorders such as heart disease, diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, pregnancy complications, and even dementia. One interesting fact that I did find is that research has shown that 18% of premature births are actually due to the mother having an oral infection or gum disease. Normally, your body would naturally normally your body's natural defense mechanism would be able to fight this off also with good oral hygiene. But if your health is compromised by other diseases, then you are lacking in oral health, your body could be in trouble. Please feel free to just pause this and look at the photo to the left to see other systemic links if you're interested. So now that you are aware of the importance of a routine dental cleaning, there are several ways that you can actually increase your oral and overall health. First and foremost, visiting your dental professional every 6 months is crucial. Brushing and flossing 2 times a day, using a fluoride toothpaste and mouth rinse, which helps with cavities and sensitivity. Avoiding tobacco also helps prevent any diseases. And just being aware of oral diseases and their association with poor oral hygiene. Again, my name is Chelsea Regis, and a routine dental care is critical to not only a healthy mouth, but also a healthy body. Visiting a dental professional every 6 months will make you more attractive and successful. It will save you money and prevent chronic mouth pain from developing. And most important, it will help you live a longer, healthier life. I challenge everyone in this public speaking class who does not visit a dentist regularly to make an appointment, and you will be doing your future self a favor. Thank you so much.